Alright, hey guys, here we have an Ornate Emerson 1895 in brown and antique brass. This was a Craigslist find for pretty cheap. It's really cool kind of combination that's definitely not too common. It has kind of a similar faceplate as a Casablanca Classic, but for some reason I just like this way better. It's kind of like a morph between a Casablanca Classic and a Emerson Turn of the Century. It has the Turn of the Century arms, Casablanca Classic faceplate style, and 1895 blade brackets. But yeah, anyways, really cool fan. Definitely glad I picked this up. Also has a little Emerson Schoolhouse Globe that I think I'm going to leave on it. I think it looks really nice on here. Also came with those pull chains. But yeah, really cool fan. Take a look at it. It's in very good shape. Looks like it was taken pretty good care of throughout its life. Said the only reason they were replacing it was because of a renovation. When I got it, it did have a loose switch housing, as most of these Emersons have to some degree. But that only took a matter of seconds to tighten up. But yeah, anyways, let's test it out. Starting with the light kit. And let's go to the fan. It does have a 4-speed pull chain, arcless type, which is probably one of my favorite. I feel like I have an idea of why those were canceled pretty quick on these and the originals. This pull chain, actually the fob on it weighs enough to keep the pull chain from actually retracting back. So, yeah. I guess if you put too much weight on these, they don't like to retract back into place. Actually have to kind of lift it up. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the actual light bulb kind of is basically touching the globe. So if it's particularly noisy, that's probably why. Plus the bracket isn't as tight as it should be. And that's because just the way the bracket is designed with the screws for the canopy, I wasn't able to tighten the screws for the bracket all the way up against the wire mold box. Alright, let's go to medium high. You can see right there, it didn't want to retract. Alright, and let's go to high. Yeah, it retracted that time. I ran some oil in it to see if maybe that would help. It is wobbling a little bit, but I think if I had it tightened all the way, it probably wouldn't. It's just loose at the bracket. See a light bulb in there. Alright, let's do spin down. Spin down seems to be about average for these. Alright, well there's my Ornate Emerson 1895. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.